What's up guys, today I'm gonna show you how to install data packs to your Minecraft worlds. Let's get started. Let's imagine you are creating a new world in Minecraft and you'd like to add some data packs to it. What do you need to do? So when you're creating a world, you need to click more here and you need to click data packs. After that, you need to click open pack folder. Let's click it, and after that the folder is open. After that, we just need to drag and drop the file of our data pack to this folder, just like that. And after that, yeah, that's basically it. We need to only click on it and we click yes. Are you sure you want to load this pack? Yeah, of course. We click yes, and even if it says like that it is broken or incompatible, it's still going to work, because it doesn't matter what Minecraft says. Data packs do not usually have like specific version that they work on. They can work on any version. So if it says broken or incompatible, you can click done anyway, and after that you're just creating a new world. What if you want to add a data pack to an existing world? For that, guys, let's just click on some world, and I'm going to show you on this example. For that, you just need to click edit. Let's click, and here we've got an open world folder setting. We click on it and the folder is open, and here we've got a data packs folder. We click on it and we drag and drop our data pack to this folder. Yeah, that's basically it, guys. The data pack is added to your existing Minecraft world. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.